Eclipse concept. So assigning of the use. Assigning of first address into division. That is, there are A, B, and C. This category 75% or above. This category 60% or above. This is 45% or above. In this concept, what will get? What will be? A is comes under 1 plus category. B is comes under 1 category. And C is comes under 2 category. Drawbacks we cannot convert it so that somebody having I mean 74.95 falls in category B according to what? Eclipse concept. But if you convert into fuzzy concept, A is falling under percentage count 1 plus with degree membership. See 0.9. That is A is 0.9. Similarly, category B is coming under with the category 0.6, and C is coming under 0.4. That means exactly 4-5 is coming under category C. That means whatever value you are getting between 0.6 to 0.45 comes under what? Category C. That is, it is you have to give a percentage. If somebody is having a 0.49, then you give C 0.35. In that case, C degree is 0.35. So indirectly, what we are doing? We are converting Eclipse concept to fuzzy concept. Similar example is also purchasing a car. Purchasing car depends on many factors. First, look, how it look, place where you live, your residences. C, your purchasing capacity. Three factors it is depending to purchase car. मोड़ कार किने पे कैपेसिटी है अच्छी ना नहीं अच्छी कम कहीं तो गोटे माधव कार किने के लेसी जो सार चाकरी कला करी ना आप बुले चाकरी करी गोटे पिलाटे 66 लाख दे गोटे गाड़ी किणला मत आसला भुवनेश्वरटा बुलेब बोली गला वर्ष भारी भल पाए मत नॉट आई एम ए गुड टीचर बट ही लव्स मी लाइक दैट मैंने मु प्रैक्टिकल बहुत मैंने भल टीचर जीवी ज्योति कौन ना कि पलैची पड़े ना ताकू झाड़ा देखिए कि मो भाया ओके काटी दो सी जगह C is purchasing capacity. So you are now converting it. How you are defining it? Right? A, B, and C. This is cost. Here you are putting C11, C12, C13, C21, C22, C123, C31, C32, C33. This is can be extended to many points, not only 3 but many. This will comes under many. So this type of conversion is generally called as extension principle. Extension principle does not mean that you are converting for you are giving different fuzzy system and that is you are calling this is extension system. No, you are deriving that. Because of these drawbacks, we are adopting another method. But these are not extension principle. These are extension. If you plan something a creates, but you are putting it in fuzzy system. For example, find fx equal to x square or x. So x value is coming going by -1, 1, 2, -2, 3, minus. Suppose this system is like that, x is like that. Correspondingly, it is giving that the values are giving -1, 0.2, 1, 0.5, 2, 0.2, -2, 0.3. 3 -3. So in that case, in general, if you consider the set, what is the set value? Functional value 1, 4, 9. But that's also confusing because you are having multiple values. For 1, you will have 2 member. 2, you are having 2 member. 3, you are having 2 members. I got it or not? But in trips you are just writing down this 1, 4, 9. But in fuzzy sense you cannot do that because that the involvement of member function is there. So obviously what you have to do? You are comparing for -1. Suppose a value is 1. Now look at it. Then you consider the maximum value of a member of 1 you are getting from 1 and -1. In that case you are considering the maximum value of member 0.2 and 0.5. What is the value? 0. Similarly, a equals to 4. Then you are considering maximum value from 2 out and -2. Then what is the value? 2 you are getting 0.4 and 0.8. Then a equals to 9. Then I am comparing 1 minus 2. I am comparing 3 and -3. Then what you will get? (0.4 or 0.6). So output will ultimately what you will get? And 9. These are the outputs. Got it? Got it? But in creep sense you are getting only how many outputs? 1, 4, 9. Because there is no member involved in it. But here in this case you have to consider both way maximum value. Another thing is that In Cliff sense, whenever you map a function from A to B, if F inverse B to A exists, then F must be bijective. But the same thing concept is not working in case of fuzzy. Fuzzy ray, you can have bijective or any functions. You can find the inverse. Got it? In generally what you are doing, in if you have function measure from map from A to B, so actually inverse is from B to A, and that when that occurs, if it is bijective. If it is not bijective, then you cannot say. But in case of fuzzy, it is not necessary that it is bijective. I can give you some examples.